Welcome to this rare opportunity for a fantastic home and one-of-a-kind property in the scenic and peaceful town of Molalla. Discover a dream backyard with numerous outside features, including a large shop with an ADU, gardens, and plenty of space for family fun underneath the mature trees. But this is just the beginning. Head inside and discover an airy, light-filled interior with vaulted ceilings and an open concept design. Large windows bring the outside in. Enjoy endless counter space and storage in your gourmet kitchen, complete with beautiful quartz countertops, under-cabinet lighting, and stainless appliances. From here, head out to the expansive deck, already set up for perfect summer nights with a barbecue station. You can unwind in the vaulted primary suite, where you can wake up to your morning coffee on the deck in this tranquil setting. It's complete with a well-appointed ensuite bath with a soaker tub and a walk-in closet. You'll find 3 more large bedrooms, and another full bath. The thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces are ideal for entertaining friends and family year-round, with a built-in audio system in the home and on the deck, or just relax and connect to nature. Beautiful landscaping leads to the large shop and ADU, currently used as an entertainer's dream space with a kitchenette. It's ready for game or movie night. The ADU includes great closet space, a full bathroom, and quartz countertops. Across from the shop is a fully insulated office with power, a flexible space for any number of uses. It's a property with plenty of space for making memories with friends and family. Enjoy the sounds of the babbling brook under the bridge while gathering by the fire pit. You'll also find a chicken coop that even chickens dream about, complete with chickens if you want them. Other features include full RV hookups, a whole house generator, a fully fenced dog area, Cat 5 wiring so every building has high-speed internet, and outdoor security spotlights. Don't miss this opportunity for your new dream home. Come visit today. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Vivian Chappell with Premier Property Group.